Dear children, welcome to Social Science class. Hope you all are safe at home. In the previous class, we have studied about election and stages of election. You know, election is the basic feature of democracy. Democracy depends on some other factors too. Today, we will discuss about the factors sustaining democracy. The rule of law, rights, social and economic justice, mass media and opposition are the factors that sustain democracy. Let's learn more about them. First is rule of law. This means that all are equal before the law. Everyone is obliged to obey the law. Nobody is above the law. The significance of the rule of law can be understood from a simple example. The aim of traffic rule is to ensure smooth and safe traffic for vehicles. Second one is rights. Rights are granted to the citizens for the progress of individual and the country. This is a table showing different laws and rights implemented by the government to ensure various rights of the people. Right to Education Act. Free and compulsory education to children up to the age of 14 years. Second, traffic laws. Traffic laws define the uses of vehicles in public places and to ensure the protection of life and property of the people. Right to Information Act gives rights to the citizens to obtain information from any office fully owned or under the control of central or state government. Then the Senior Citizens Act, protection and support during old age are envisaged as human rights. Understand? Next is social and economic justice. Democracy is the form of government that ensures the participation of all people. It is meaningful only when all are equal. Ensuring equal treatment for all by minimizing social and economic inequalities is the principle behind the idea of social and economic justice. Next, mass media. Mass media is a message created by a person or a group of people sent through a transmitting device to a large audience or market. TV, internet, newspaper, radio, magazine are the examples of mass media. Free and impartial media are the foundation of democracy. The media play an important role to familiarize the public with individual opinions and to bring common demands to the government's attention. The media also informs the public of the decisions of the government. Last one is opposition. We have seen the significance of election in democracy. Election creates both ruling and opposition parties. It is the duty of the opposition to persuade the government to function better by pointing out the wrongs of the government. Is it clear? Election, rule of law, rights, social and economic justice, mass media and opposition are the factors that sustain democracy. As a way of life, democracy upholds human values and individual liberty. Democracy becomes meaningful when we are able to form collective decisions. We should be able to adopt the democratic way of life at home, in school, and in society. Every individual should respect the democratic activities of others for the progress of the society. No one has the right to obstruct the democratic activities of another. Democracy is based on the legal system It is undemocratic to break the law. Let's recall this chapter. In this chapter, we studied about democracy, election, stages of election, and the factors sustaining democracy. Hope you all understood about these topics well.